the best web hosting services for developers in 2023. Choosing the best web hosting service for developers requires careful consideration of needs. Web hosting services are instrumental for website performance and maintenance, and developers require hosts that cater to dynamic websites with many features. The web industry is ever evolving and businesses need to keep up with the latest developments to succeed. Let's dive into the factors businesses and web developers need to consider when picking the best web hosting service in 2023. What to look for in a quality web hosting services for developers. As a developer, there are several key factors to consider when choosing a web hosting service. Here are some things to look for in a quality web hosting service. Here are some points. The first one is server reliability. One of the most important factors to consider is the reliability of the host provider server. A good hosting service should guarantee at least 99.9% uptime to ensure your website is available to visitors at all times. Performance is another critical factor to consider, especially if you plan on hosting resource-intensive application or websites. The hosting service should have adequate resources such as processing power, RAM, and storage to support your needs. Also, make sure the hosting provider uses fast and reliable hardware such as SSDs and high-speed processors to ensure optimal performance. Next is scalability. It is important to choose a hosting service that can grow with your needs. As your website or application grows, you may need more resources such as additional server space, bandwidth, and processing power. A good hosting provider should be able to accommodate your growth without causing any downtime and disruptions. Security. A good web hosting service should prioritize security and provide features such as SSL certificates, firewalls, and malware scanning to protect your website and data from hackers and other threats. Next is technical support. Technical support is an essential factor to consider when choosing a web hosting service. Make sure the hosting provider offers 24/7 support via phone, email, or chat. Additionally, look for hosting provider that offer documentation, tutorials, and forms to help you troubleshoot issues. Pricing is always a factor to consider, but it should not be only deciding factor. While you want to get a good deal, remember that quality web hosting service may require higher prices. Look for the transparent pricing structures and avoiding hosting providers with hidden fees and unclear terms.